Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the Trendlock expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This is a next generation AI expert advisor built for consistent disciplined trading across Forex, gold, Bitcoin and US indices. It uses market structure logic, dynamic momentum detection and multi-time frame signal confirmation. The core is a one-shot signal entry system with pending orders and only one position per opportunity to avoid over trading. There is no averaging, there's no grids, there's no martingale, and all of these are what the Trendlock is made of. We also have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. It's 100% free, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. And as I was saying, for the Trendlock, it adapts to trending and sideways conditions with risk-adjusted entries and exits. And there is also the premium risk management, which includes the take profit and stop loss, and also we have trailing based on points or percentages, and there is also the adjustable risk percent with auto lot sizing. We also have daily loss limits, trading hours filter, we have the spread protection with news multipliers. There is also auto cut loss, and this is for gaps and slippage, and there is a customizable news filter. All of these are in the settings. These are the settings here. The risk percent, all of these are adjustable depending on what you want and how you want the expert advisor to work for you. We have the auto cut loss settings, like I said, which is set at true by default, and we have the risk management, max lot size, which can also be adjusted. We have the Forex trading inputs, gold trading inputs. All of this are completely adjustable. Then there are the filters. This is the moving average filter. We have the RSI filter also. Then we have the news filter. All of these are filters that help the expert advisor work as it's supposed to work, give it the efficiency that it needs. And it's recommended on the 5 minutes and the 1 hour time frame. Also, it's especially recommended for gold, but it also works on Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and other major currency pairs. It also works on BTC, basically volatile pairs, pairs that can catch significant moves in the market. Also, they recommend ECN accounts, low spread ECN accounts, and there is also the $300 minimum deposit, which is required to trade with this expert advisor. These are some images of how it looks like, how it works. It has a dashboard here where you can see your P&L, the account name, the account number, and all the necessary details of your account. We do not have any major backtest results published by the developer. All we have is just this equity curve here, which was published by the developer, and that's all we have. There's no flashy numbers. There are no information to hold on to as to regarding how the Trendlock works and its numbers or results. But we do have reviews from people who have used this expert advisor, and we have positive reviews actually from them. We also have 20 comments, some from the developer Gary Agria1. These are some of the comments from people who have bought, and it's important that you get the set files for this expert advisor. If not, I don't think it's going to work for you. The set files are very important to enable this expert advisor to be able to work for you. And if you buy it, or if you've already bought this expert advisor, you should send a message to the developer Gary Agria1 for him to send the file to you in a private message, just like he does for some other people who have bought it. This is it. If you just buy it, you should send a message. That is the entire thing here, because I ran a backtest. I tried to run a backtest on the Trendlock Expert Advisor, and it gave me 0 results, which is kind of awkward. For my test, it was on XAUUSD on the 5-minute time frame. Real ticks, 1 full year from mid 2025 to mid 2026 with $10,000 deposit. The result was 0 trades, completely flat equity, and the whole way it's just 0 net profit. It stayed silent the entire period, and I guess this is because of the set files that are needed to run this. Yeah, basically the default settings here can't work, as I've tried it time and time again, but it's still giving me the same thing. So defaults from the developer do not work for this. You have to contact, like he said, contact after purchase to get the EA set files. It works based on the set files, so you just have to send the message. If not, you're gonna get results like this: 0 trades taking, 0 win rate, 0 everything, and the graph staying pretty flat the whole time. But they do have something which we can use to gauge how profitable the Expert Advisor is. They have a signal, they have a live signal, and this is it here, and this is their live signal. These are the details. It started in July 2025, and since July 2025 we've seen 130% growth. It's still on. Its last trade was taken in June 11th 2026, and it has an average holding time of 3 minutes. Yeah, its last trade was just 10 hours ago, and looking at the numbers, the equity is just 223. The initial deposit was $28. Yeah, and since then we have a profit of $55.71, and there were additional deposits though, like $139 extra deposits. But looking at the statistics, you can see profitable trades are 382, giving us a win rate of 78%, which is impressive. Yes, very impressive. And the losing trades are 21% out of 486 trades in total. Recovery factor of 0.82, and we also have the best trade being $9. Gross profit at the end of everything is $611 US. These are the statistics, actually the numbers behind the trend locker. But looking at the drawdown, it's quite high. We have our balance drawdown at 26%. That is on the high side. We also have, for our equity, the max drawdown is 12.84%. So it's important you take these into consideration, especially if you're trading on a prop firm account. This live signal is running on an IC Markets broker on a 1:500, and it's been on for 48 weeks. Yeah, the growth is just 130% in profits, and these are all of the statistics of the trend locker. I would say it's impressive for the live signal, and also it's commendable for them to have a live signal. Not everyone really has a live signal where they show how their expert advisor works live. Now my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a refreshing expert advisor. It's refreshing to see such an EA built for safety with no dangerous methods like averaging or greed or hedging or martingale. All those dangerous methods, there's none here. But the nuances include potential dead periods where it filters out too much, especially on volatile gold moves. In practice, this means very low drawdowns because it barely trades. But even at that, we have some high drawdowns in the live signal, which I showed you. But still, in volatile markets, it could have some high drawdowns like this. But also in markets that are not too volatile, based on the filters available, you may not have high drawdowns like that. But you can also miss opportunities. Hidden risks are overfiltering. Yeah, there's so much overfiltering in this expert advisor. The higher broker spread dependency on gold, and also there's need for proper optimization. It's good for experienced traders who are patient, who can tweak settings and accept low frequency. Also traders who can go the extra mile to send a message to the developer to get the EA set file for the EA to work for them efficiently. But beginners or people wanting regular trading action should probably just avoid this expert advisor and go for something simpler and something they can understand. Now, profits and drawdowns that are depicted in this video can differ depending on market conditions and position size or risk that the trader is using. If you want more real expert advisor reviews like this one, smash the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop in the comment which expert advisor you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex report from the description, and it has all the useful indicators and patterns you need. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.